So Alhamdulillah, everything went well with the homeless. We give the gifts, medical aid, food, everything. Alhamdulillah. Now I'm on my way back in a taxi.
Yeah, here. Yeah, turn left here.
And my wife is a human GPS. Wifey, say hello.
Hello, I'm a human GPS.
We are in a taxi with Uncle Raj. Uncle Raj?
Yes. I'm going to go straight.
So now let's see how this guy is gonna stop us. I just reached home now. I want to see how my JMF boy is gonna stop us.
Go right. Right.
Kita tengok dia berhenti kita punya nak.
Depan lagi. Yeah, this one right here. Right here. Okay.
Alamak, dia tak tahan lah. Dia dah tahu kita datang. Tengok.
Yeah, straight, Uncle.
Alright, have to give it to them. They did their job.
Uncle straight.